In this video, I'll show you how to change your computer name in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to click on this, right? You need to click on the settings. Yeah, so our settings is going to open right now. And if for any reasons you love to change your computer name, what you're going to do right now, click on this system, and right now you can see the name of this system is desktop PR Lite. This is the name of the system, the name of this computer. So if you want to rename it, you're going to scroll down, you're going to click on the about, right here you can see the option of rename this PC. Click on this, so you can come on here and name the PC whatever you want to name it, right? Your name, your brand name, any name you want to rename the PC. It's pretty easy, right? It's pretty easy. So if you love to change it, it's pretty easy. You'd follow this step. So come on here, you can pick any name. Once you're done, you're gonna click on the next, and your system would automatically restart. And once it has properly restarted, the name would automatically change, right? So I think you can still do it from here. Just click on this rename, right? You do this. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.